The moment everyone was waiting for at the Theranos trial, Elizabeth Holmes taking the witness stand at her fraud trial. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
And I'm Alan Martin. It was a dramatic moment in the months-long trial. Elizabeth Holmes becoming the lead witness for the defense.
KPIX5's Len Ramirez was in the courtroom for us.
Well, the question of whether or not Elizabeth Holmes would take the witness stand in her own defense has been one of the biggest questions hanging over this trial since the very beginning. And the answer came this afternoon on the very day the defense took over the case.
For 11 weeks, Elizabeth Holmes sat in silence listening to the government's case that she conspired with her Theranos business partner to defraud investors. Today, she took the witness stand in her own defense to tell her side of the story.
It's a tactical decision to put your client on the stand, but this kind of a defendant, you can put on the stand because she's persuasive.
Holmes testified how she pursued her dreams of creating devices to improve health, how she dropped out of Stanford as a sophomore to start a company. She said she worked all the time, first exploring a pill that would transmit health data and administer doses of medicine, and later how that morphed into Theranos. While explaining the first Theranos device, she looked straight at the jury to explain the technology.
She's giving a pitch to the jury. She's explaining, she's teaching them what her device can do. And she's also giving them time to get to know her.
By testifying in her own defense, Holmes will also give herself up to cross-examination, which will set the stage for a showdown with government lawyers later.
This is who Elizabeth Holmes is. She's a skilled salesperson, and she's gotten so many people to believe in her, from investors to pharmaceutical companies. Why would a jury be any different?
In San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX5.
Holmes will be back on the witness stand on Monday and Tuesday before the trial takes a break for Thanksgiving.